Children, we are just talking about the plants, correct? Plants food.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
color is too much.
We
I
discussed
don't like.
about the plant.
Yeah. So we were talking about the sources of plants. So the plants, the food which coming from different sources means from where the food comes. Okay. Sources. SOURCES. Okay. That is source. So let me open the PowerPoint point for you. Okay. So which is the process the plants use to make food?
Photosynthesis.
Okay, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. You will be learning about photosynthesis next class, next year. Little more detail. Okay, you have one
Okay, ma'am.
chapter like this. So here now only you learn that, so that MCQ for one word question answers you can ask. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So I think we are here. Clear? Okay. Anusri, can you read the second paragraph already?
Ma'am, can you make it some more bigger?
Yes. 1 minute.
We need to write this.
No. I'll tell you what to write. Don't write anything here. Clear? Okay.
Did you call me?
Yes, Anusri, can you read the second paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Plants are also called autotrophs because they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis.
Yes.
Plants use sunlight.
Yes.
Ma'am, after that, because I was not there in the last class.
That much only. So, this will be, you will be learning little more detail autotrophs. Actually, the plants who make the food. So plants, all the plants, majority all the plants cook their food by themselves, correct? So
Yes,
because
ma'am.
of that, we call a name. So that name is called autotrophs. Okay. Autotrophs means the plants which make the food by themselves. Not only plants, organism. What is the name? Organism. Say the word organism.
Organism.
Okay. I will write the organism. Wait. I will. Yes. So organism. ORGANISM. Organ means parts. Organism means any one living being like us. We all are organisms. We all are organisms. Okay. Human being, animals. We are living organisms. We are living organisms. And the thing, table, chair, they are known as non-living organism. So plants, they make the food, so they known as autotrophs. What we call it? Autotrophs.
Autotrophs.
Now in your notebook, I will show you what to write. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
you can write today's date and write this one, autotroph.
Ma'am, can you take another color? It is very bright.
Very bright. Okay. Shall I use white? Maybe.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Use what? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write this in rough book.
Yeah, this is in rough book. Okay. This is
Okay,
in
ma'am.
rough book. Today's date you put. Today, what is the date? 16. Yes.
Ma'am, 16.
Yeah, 16.
6th month, ma'am.
16/06/21. So in your rough notebook, write like this on the margin and write this.
2021.
Yes. Today is autotrophs. I'm writing a little more big thing. What do you mean by autotrophs? Autotrophs, the plants, write what I'm writing. Because this is not given in your book. It's just to give you as a name only, because in maybe 7th standard you may be studying. That's why it has given like that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
What is the spelling of autotrophs?
I am going to write little more.
Okay, ma'am.
Big. Auto. Auto. Okay. TROPHS. Autotrophs. The plants or organisms. Organisms which make food themselves. So they are known as autotrophs. So all the green plants are autotrophs. Next, heterotrophs. Say the word. Hetero. Auto, hetero. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. Yes. Now, hetero. H-E-T-E-R-O. Heterotrophs. And who are those? The organisms which
I'm in the board. I can only see some letters.
you
I cannot see full.
you see in the board. You can zoom the board, correct? Are you in laptop or in the mobile?
Yeah.
If you mobile, you can zoom in. Laptop, do you know how to zoom in? There is a option.
There is an option.
We need to double click, ma'am.
Double click. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you read the second one?
Yes, I will read after writing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Heterotrophs. The organisms which depend on others for food. The organisms which depend on others for food. They are known as heterotrophs. So, example for heterotrophs. EG stands for example. Example, you can write animals and human beings. And human being. So these are the people heterotrophs because we eat the food by themselves. Anyone did not see what I am writing? I will stop the share. Once again, I share. Maybe that time your network may be little more better. That's why. The organism.
Example for autotroph.
Autotroph, you can write green plants.
Okay.
Green color plants.
What is the second one?
Heterotroph. Hetero. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. The organisms which depend on others for food. Animals and human beings. They are known as heterotrophs. Clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is only for a knowledge. You will be learning detail in your. Who did not finish? Okay, I'll show you once again. You will be learning little more detail in next year. Okay. So I'm just naming you since the word autotrophies came in your textbook. So that's what I have explained to you. Clear? Okay. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we go back?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are here. Now we are here about the plants. These are the sources and humans also. So we are here. And next slide also nothing new. We are only just talking about humans consume. So what about us? Humans consume almost all parts of the plant such as leaves, stems, roots, fruits and considered to be edible parts. So we are now going to learn edible parts of a plant. You can write the heading now. So let me change the color. So that color is changed. So let me change the color. So it will be easy for you to know.
Edible.
I'll give you. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next heading, you will write edible part. Edible parts of a plant. Edible parts of a plant. Edible parts of a plant. Edible means which can be eaten. Okay. So from the slide, you come to know which are the parts we eat. Okay. Mainly which are the parts you can write down below. One, leaves. Leaves. Yes. Second one, stem.
Ma'am, this will you write in the notebook?
Yeah, in the notebook you write because I will be sending you another notes to write in the ruled sheets as the question answers. Okay. So this is only point wise for you to remember what I taught
Okay,
daily.
ma'am.
Okay. Roots. Roots. Fourth one, fruits. And last, what we eat is seed. Okay.
Seed.
So these are the edible parts of a plant. Leaves, stems, roots, fruits, seeds.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now you will see, yeah, now you will see one by one which are the edible parts. Okay. So what is that? We humans mainly eat all these parts. All completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So that-
ma'am.
so you can
No,
see
ma'am.
all. Who did not complete? Okay.
Ma'am, last one.
Okay. Right. Last one is seed. Seeds. Yes. Leaves, stems, roots, fruits, seeds. Okay. Yeah. I hope everyone completed. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
Yes,
humans
ma'am.
are more.
Ma'am,
No, you
completed.
know, the humans will eat everything of sometimes animals also, you know, chicken, everything you can eat. Liver, all these parts can be eaten for the chicken. Similarly, some of the people will eat all the parts of the buffaloes. Clear? The tail, the head, and you see the goat. Okay. So especially we humans are very good in eating all the plants, all the parts of everything. Yeah, especially. That's why. So humans eat leaves, stems, roots, fruits, and seeds. Okay. But everything we may not eat. Only some plants we will eat only leaves. You can tell me, Anthony, can you tell me one of the leafy vegetable we eat daily?
Curry leaves.
Curry leaf you put everywhere. Okay. Any vegetable as a vegetable,
Ma'am,
Anthony?
can I say? Ma'am,
Spinach.
Spinach. Cabbage.
Cabbage. Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, spinach.
Spinach. Yes. Spinach.
Ma'am,
Then
lettuce.
lettuce.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Lettuce. Okay. Then Kira. You know about Kira, no?
Yes, ma'am, Chira.
Yeah. Kira. Okay. So this is the picture. So sometimes in the exam, suppose if it is written exam, you may be getting the picture like that. Okay. And you may be getting the picture like that, and you have to label it. Okay. A picture like that will given to you, and these blocks will be there. And on the blocks, no writing will be there. Okay. So we will be giving a picture like that, and you have to mark it, label it. So that is why I have showed this picture. So you can see flower, leaves, stem, roots.
If we can draw, we can draw a notebook and
And now you don't have to draw. It is in your textbook. Okay, don't draw. Okay, so it's not necessary. You only know which is the parts of the thing. See, even some of the flowers can be eaten. You know the lot. You see some of the flowers who
Ma'am,
which can eat.
drumstick flower.
Drumstick flower you can eat. Cauliflower, it's a flower. Even cabbage, more than leaf, cabbage also can be a flower of that particular plant. Okay,
Yes,
you know.
ma'am.
Yes, and sometimes we can eat the. You see the mustard in UP. It is North India. North India, they have a lot of mustard field. So they will make the curry of mustard leaf and the flower also. It's very tasty. We make curry of, as you said, drumstick flower. We make curry. You know the plantain fruit, banana fruit, banana
Yes, ma'am.
flower. that
Yes,
violet
ma'am.
like thing.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
call kudapan.
Yes, ma'am.
We call it kudapan. Actually, it is a
Yes.
flower. It's a flower of the banana tree.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Inside that flower, there is something sweet.
Yeah. That usually when you are in small classes, we used to take that flower and we drink it. Okay.
Yes,
Very, it is
ma'am.
very
Yes,
sweet.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
For peace.
Yes.
For peace.
Yes. And even some people will make the
We will
curry.
use the.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. We will use the leaves also, right?
Leaves also. Sometimes we
Yes.
will eat the flower of a what you call, what you call for that not yam.
Kodapan.
Pumpkin.
Or
Pumpkin.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
pumpkin yellowish flower. It's very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
If you
We
take
know.
that flour and mix with the prawns or coconut and all, it is very tasty. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so many things are. But you should not eat everything what you see. You have to first to find out what are the things you have to be eaten. Clear? So these are the some examples. So this is not only for your knowledge. These are the some example what we eat for the stem. Correct? We eat stems of some plants. These are some example. Potato, onion, ginger. Okay, if you want, you can just write it down. Examples of stem, what we eat. So already you have written there, no? Fruits, seeds. There itself
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
write. You can write. You have written like that stem. Correct? 1 minute. You have written stem now in the book. There, put one hyphen. You can write the example for that. Okay. Potato, sugarcane, ginger, onion, all this. And our tapioca, kappa. Yes. Even that also we eat tapioca. Yam. Yam is sorry, tapioca is a root. Sorry, tapioca is a root. Stem means this.
Ma'am, ma'am, we should write in this and all in the notebook example and all.
Example you can write. You have written stem there in your notebook, correct? There
Yes,
put
ma'am.
one hyphen and you just write this names only. For
Ma'am,
example.
I like that. Ma'am, I wrote like that only.
Okay. Potato, sugarcane, ginger, onion, garlic, all this. Okay. Shall we move on to next? So these are
Yes, ma'am, we can
pictures.
move to next
Yes,
slide.
ma'am.
Nothing to explain because you have seen all this, no? So I just want. Now roots. You can write all this example. Which are the roots? Carrot.
I was in the examples of the stems.
Yes, yes. Potato. Those who did not write, I'll tell. Stem example, potato, sugarcane. What I showed you. Ginger, onion, garlic. If you want, you can write. Now roots. Where the roots you have written, you can write these names. Carrot, turnip, radish, beetroot, roots.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tapioca you can write. Tapioca
Yeah.
also root. Tapioca,
Ma'am,
kappa.
turnip.
Turnip and yam. Turnip and all we may not get very, it's not so common in Kerala. Carrot, radish, beetroot you will see. A very common Kerala is tapioca and yam. Yam, chembu. Okay, you must have seen some vegetable your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Yam, then chena. Chena, chena. So all these are roots. Tapioca, yam. Okay, so you can write the example. Shall we go to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, yes, ma'am, we can go to the next.
Yeah, some of you writing.
Chena.
What is
Chena
the third
also,
one?
it's a yam. Third one, radish. You call it mullangi.
Then we
Just
can move
like
it
a
to another.
carrot, you see one reddish color, long one, radish. It is in white in color also.
I'm finished.
Yes.
Let me finish.
What is turnip? Turnip.
Clear.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, need to go.
It's recording.
It's recording. Who is the host?
Ma'am itself.
Ma'am did not go. Ma'am gone now.
Felix is the host.
Felix is the host. Felix.
Is the host.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. There was a power failure. That's
Okay,
what. Okay. So may current go.
Okay.
Shall we go back? Okay. So, so I have to start from the beginning now. Wait. Yes, we finish. We finish. Oh, there we finish. Roots over.
roots.
Now we move on to leaves. You can have leaves.
What is turnip, ma'am?
Leaves.
On roots.
Leaves example. So
And
many you
turnip.
know.
Ma'am,
Correct.
turnip.
Lettuce.
Ma'am, turnip.
Spinach. Lettuce.
Ma'am, in roots. Ma'am, in roots. Turnip is
Cabbage.
what, ma'am?
Lettuce.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Lettuce.
Yes.
In roots, turnip is what, ma'am?
Cabbage. Or
Lettuce.
No, ma'am, in roots.
turnip.
Yours.
Turnip also is just like you know, just like our small onion. There is a one type of vegetable that we won't get here. Okay, usually that will see in
Excuse me,
abroad.
ma'am.
That is turnip.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes.
Turnip is a small onion.
And yeah, small small onion we call it
Spring onion.
small onion. We call it spring onion. Okay.
Spring onions, yes.
Ah,
ma'am.
but turnip is it has a beautiful flower also. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
usually that we see in abroad, and maybe I think North India. I think so. So far we don't get turnips to eat. Okay, so other things we see spinach, lettuce, curry leaves, mint. So all these things you know, na? Just write few: spinach, lettuce, cabbage. If you want, you can write the drumstick leaves. Okay, we eat drumstick seeds. Yeah, actually that and all for we Keralites usually eat drumstick leaves and Tamilians. We have plenty of that. Then we eat kira. Kira mainly we Tamilians and Keralites usually they have. Other places we have spinach.
Excuse me,
You
ma'am.
know the palak. Maybe those who are in UP,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
maybe know palak. Okay. So
Yes,
palak
ma'am.
is another vegetable, more or less
Yes,
look
ma'am.
like a spinach. Spinach
Yes,
has
ma'am.
little more watery, but palak is little more hard. Okay. Palak you can write, those who want, you can write drumstick leaves. Sometimes we can leave the leaves of peas. Peas means achinga, you know the long fire.
Yes, ma'am.
We can have the leaves of that, tender leaves. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So many. So like that, so many things we can have. So
Excuse me,
plenty.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, finished.
finish. Shall we go to the next?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Flowers. I think the last time we did not write flower. I think
Excuse
so.
me, ma'am.
Can enter that flowers. Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am.
it is a note. In note.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the difference between cabbage and lettuce?
Cabbage is just like a flower. Have you seen the picture? You know what the cabbage you
ma'am.
get it. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Lettuce is very much green color. Cabbage, if you open this, you will get white color. Correct?
Yes,
Lettuce
ma'am.
is just
Okay,
like
ma'am.
a leaf.
Yes,
There's like
ma'am.
a spinach.
It is used in
That's a leaf.
salad.
Yeah, salad. You can simply eat that. Okay. Yeah. I think this is common in Dubai, abroad and all. They used to have this
Yes,
lettuce.
ma'am.
We don't use much.
Burgers.
Burgers they keep. Yeah, if you go to Lulu Mall and some of the malls, you will see the lettuce over there because so many people are using. But in our villages, we don't use lettuce. We don't have lettuce many. Okay, that's it. So mainly we have cabbage. Yes. So shall we flowers example? So much. I told you banana flower, broccoli, cauliflower. This is also rarely comes in the market.
Ma'am,
Okay.
pumpkin is a flower.
Yeah, pumpkin, you know the flower of the pumpkin is the one turned into this. Have you seen the pumpkin, how it grow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So usually first flower will come. And behind the flower, as the flower is going to die, behind the flower on the stem, one ball will come, one ball type. And that
Okay.
ball is growing into pumpkin. So
Okay, ma'am.
if you take the pumpkin flowers for eating, you don't get pumpkin because pumpkin is not there. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
flowers as it die, that under the stem of the flower, there's a small ball-like structure will come, very small. But as months and months goes, because pumpkin will take more days, it will not get within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it will grow like this. Clear? That's pumpkin.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes. Okay. Good. So now fruits. The fruits, plenty you have. You write anything what you want. Mango, orange, apple. What you require. Only 3 is enough. I think 3 enough. So fruits you can write apple, orange. And this is our
Can show it.
seed. This will come under seeds. Okay, cereals and pulses. You can write simply cereals and pulses. This will come under seeds. Okay, these all are seeds. Why do you call cereals? Because these all are we have flour, rice flour, wheat flour. Then all this peas, chana, moong dal. Okay, this is our moong dal, charuvaira, green pea. So all this. So this is the example for seeds. So commonly rice, wheat, all these things before making powder we call it cereals. Cereals and all this chana, chana, big chana, green chana, black chana, so many chanas. All this we call it pulses.
Yes, ma'am. Last year we studied.
Yes, you have studied last time, I remember. So 5th standard, we have the same thing, no? So this thing. So all this rice, wheat, we call cereals, all these pulses, and this come under seeds. I think for today it's enough. So we have seen edible parts and example. And you see, we have lot of vegetables. Vegetables also, sometimes vegetables is the fruit of a vegetable. Tomato is the fruit of a tomato plant. Lady finger is the fruit of a lady's finger plant. Snake god, padaval. Okay, that is the fruit of that plant. So this is commonly vegetables we call. It is the fruits. Actually, these are the fruits of the plant. So we don't have to write it this. These are the fruits of the plant. Clear? But we call it as vegetable because we cook. We cannot eat everything raw. Lady's finger you can eat raw, tomato we can eat raw, but other things you cannot eat raw. Bitter gourd also you can eat raw if you like.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
What is bottle gourd?
Bottle gourd is that white pumpkin. White
Okay, ma'am.
pumpkin.
Can you
You
show
get
the
one
slip?
long one.
Ma'am,
In-
take
ma-
the
in-
attendance.
Yes. Attendance already one teacher has taken. Okay. Yes. Morning I have taken. Morning who was absent? Some were absent in the morning. Now you are there. Okay.
Ma'am,
You have
Ananda.
to know it. Anusri, Siana, Ananda. Ananda was absent. Okay. Because you all were not there in the morning. I have taken attendance.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Sienna was there in the
Excuse me,
morning.
ma'am.
Morning. But in between you have
Can
gone.
you show
Anytime
the
absent.
side of seat?
No, ma'am, I was
Ma'am, Angelina Rose was there in the morning.
Okay, okay. I will
Excuse me,
inform I will inform. Already attendance has taken. So morning, whichever period comes, first period, that time all your attendance will be taken. Okay.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
if you are
Excuse
absent,
me, ma'am.
please inform the
is
class
present in the last
teacher.
class.
Those are absent in any one of the classes. Any one of the classes.